How FEMA cuts could affect claims adjusting. Sylvia Browder here, small business consultant, licensed claim adjuster, field inspector, and advocate, a startup service based on business. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for all things small business. Let's get into it.
How FEMA cuts could affect claims adjusting. Let's get into it. Are you a new insurance adjuster trying to understand how government policy impacts your work? With recent discussions about potential FEMA budget cuts, many adjusters are asking, will this affect the way claims are handled? In this video, I'll break down what FEMA does, how it ties into the claims adjusting world, and what you should be aware of as an independent or staff adjuster. First, it's important to understand the difference between FEMA and private insurance companies. FEMA, short for the Federal Emergency Management Agency, steps in when losses are not covered by traditional insurance policies or in major federally declared disaster areas. That means most day-to-day claims adjusters handling water damage, wind, hail, theft, vandalism, or fire won't see a direct impact from FEMA funding cuts. These claims are managed by carriers like State Farm, Geico, Allstate, or other private insurers. However, when a large natural disaster like a hurricane or flood hits a community and federal aid is needed, FEMA fills critical gaps. They provide temporary housing grants, low-interest disaster loans, and public infrastructure repairs. So what happens if FEMA faces budget cuts? Here's how it could affect the industry. Fewer or delayed FEMA deployments for catastrophe adjusters. More stress on private insurers to cover what FEMA may not. Increased confusion among policyholders, leading to more time spent educating them on coverage gaps. And state and municipalities could experience slower recovery without federal funds. For new adjusters, this means it's more important than ever to understand your policy language, explain it clearly, and set the right expectations with insureds. Also, stay flexible. Fewer FEMA deployments might mean focusing more on daily claims, supplements, or storm desk work. In conclusion, while FEMA cuts may not affect everyday adjusters directly, they can shift how disaster recovery happens, especially in federally declared zones. If you're a new adjuster, now is the time to strengthen your knowledge of coverage limitations, improve communication skills, and stay informed on federal and state emergency trends. Thanks for watching. If this helped you better understand how policy changes could impact claims adjusting, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone entering this industry. Be a claims adjuster.